when there's a lot of color on the plate, it can be a little bit overwhelming and even suspicious for our little ones. So let me show you how to make this easy Nando's-style recipe with chicken and rice a major hit in your family for little and big ones alike. Make 2 marinades, one without the sriracha and the chipotle. Keep some chunkier peppers on the side. Don't add the chili. This is something that you can add to your plate later. Keep the kids' chicken on the side. Remove a portion of peas before adding in the herbs. Portion size is key. 1 tablespoon per element per child's age. Rice separate. Chicken, red pepper, peas. Keep the sauce in a small bowl separate so your child can try it as well.